Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about enlargement. These are 4 questions about enlargement. Let's start with question 1. These questions are true and false. So you have to read the question and tell if it's true or false regarding enlargement. Question A says, when we enlarge a shape using a positive scale factor, the center of enlargement will be between the image and the shape. Now, if we have center of enlargement here, and this is the shape, when we enlarge it, let's say this is the shape, when we enlarge this with a center of enlargement, it comes here, right? With a positive scale factor. And we said that before, with a positive scale factor, the image and the shape are on the same side. Now, the question here says, when you enlarge with a positive scale factor, the center of enlargement will be between the image and the shape. Now, is this between them? The center of enlargement, is it between them? Very good, it's not. It's not between them. When do you find the center of enlargement between the two shapes? Very good, with a negative scale factor. But with a positive scale factor, the two shapes or the shape and the image are on the same side. Very good. So this one is false. Very good. Now, let's read the second statement. Using a fractional scale factor makes the shape smaller. B. Using a fractional scale factor makes the shape smaller. What do you think? Very good. Fraction means like this, which is half. So when I tell you to find half of a shape, the shape will become what? Very good. It will become smaller. So using a fractional scale factor makes the shape smaller. That's true. Very good. Now we put through. Now focus on the question because in the test it might change. They might tell you using a fractional scale factor makes the shape bigger, which is false. Now let's take a look at C. The distance between the center of enlargement and the point on the shape is multiplied by the scale factor to get the new distance for the enlarged shape. Now, if we have center of enlargement here and we have a shape, now how do we get the new shape here? How do we know it's here, for example? Very good. By finding the distance of enlargement between the center and the shape or the point itself. Good. So after finding the center of enlargement or the distance, we multiply it by the scale factor to get the new distance. Very good. So this is the idea of enlarging a shape. We find the distance between a point and the center of enlargement, and then we multiply it by the scale factor to get the new distance. So this sentence or statement is true. Very good. So this one is true. Now, the next one, focus on the questions, guys. It might be changing. Now, the last one, a negative scale factor makes the shape upside down. What do you think about this statement? Very good. We said that if you have a center of enlargement here and you have a shape here, for example, the negative scale factor will make the shape here and it will make it bigger, or depending on the enlargement part or the scale factor itself. But if it's negative, it will make the shape upside down. Maybe bigger if it's an integer, not a fraction. But if it's a fraction, it will be smaller. But having a negative scale factor will make the shape upside down, which is a fact. Very good. So the last statement is true. Very good. Now, focus on the questions. They might come the same and maybe they will be changed. Because if I change one of the words, the whole statement will change if it's true or false. So focus on the questions, read them, and try to understand them. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.